Oh my god, I love your lights.
Yeah, I
Oh,
love your
thank you. I like your glasses.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you guys from?
Sweden.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are you from?
Indonesia.
Oh, that's cool.
Are you
Do
guys
you-
really from Sweden?
Yeah.
Yeah, for
And now you
real.
live in Sweden.
Vlog, so basically I should be from Sweden.
Yeah, do you play your guitar or do you just
I
have
do.
it for graduation?
I do play guitar.
He
Do you
plays
guys
it
want to hear?
Yeah, I would
Alright.
love it.
And here it is, our final night alive, as the earth burns to the ground. Oh, girl, it's you that I lie with, as the atom bomb locks in. Oh, that is you. I want to feel it as the world comes in.
Oh my gosh, I love
That was
it.
amazing.
Thank you so
Holy
much.
crap.
Have you ever
I
heard
love
that
it.
song before?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, it's from
It
TikTok.
was yeah, but it was amazing.
Thank you so much. But can I play one more song, just a little bit?
Yeah, of course. Go
Go
ahead.
for it.
This one.
Closity haltumchusnu Havultom duvorita Kaltio sinaran film almost full Harfas nativo lilava Yus kayora singu brusu Yus katinda farindayus Yus kaspila di musiken Som du alltid brukar sjunga Jag ska göra en singelbrusor till dig
Oh my
Fucking god.
I was not expecting a Swedish song.
Oh, do you guys know it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, it's from
I-
Darin.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, I love it so much. Thank you.
But I messed up a lyric, sorry.
no,
No, it's fine. It's okay.
It
Alright.
was amazing.
Thank you, you guys are so nice.
Oh, I'm mind blown. Oh my
Yeah.
fucking god.
I was not expecting that at all.
I'm so glad that I can sing for you guys.
I'm so glad that you sang for us.
Me too.
Honestly, my
For
heart
sure.
just exploded.
Wait, can I ask a
Holy-
question?
Yeah,
How old are you guys?
we're 19.
No way.
How old are you?
25.
25. Okay.
You guys look so young.
You do? Yeah. I have heard that a lot actually.
I thought you were 15 or 16.
No.
Actually, no.
Thank you so much for your time. I
Oh,
really
thank
appreciate
you.
you guys.
Have a good
Bye.
one.
Have a
Stay
good
safe.
one. Yeah, you,
You
too.
too.
Where are you from?
Indonesia. Where are you guys from?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. How old are you?
Yes?
19.
No.
18.
No, I'm 21.
You 21?
Yeah, we are friends.
Wow. You look so young.
Oh, thank you. Huh? What?
Can I play a song for you? Just a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Wow!
Fi may miluwi witong mitani kanto Munang ko ng tanang protong supiyo kakundo Yukapi na malambak na rawan ng sato Yukapi lambak na rawan ng sato kapi mami balong kang kalot pisumatan Prapo kong kilio tetapi na may mitan Yu kapi na malambak na ruwan ng taton Yu kapi lambak na ruwan ng taton. Yeah, that's why.
Wow, cool.
Wow.
Thank you.
Good.
Amazing.
Do you guys know that song?
Yes, is
เดี๋ยวมันร้องว่าไงนะ
พี่ไม่
ไม่
มี
มี
ห
ห
ลุ
ลุ
ย
ย
ส์
ส์
วิ
วิ
ต
ต
ต
ต
อ
อง ง
Yeah.
ทน
Yeah,
Yes.
Ton.
Yes.
Thank you so much for letting me sing for you guys.
Oh, thank you for your song.
Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah,
Nice day.
have a good day.
Bye bye.
Hello,
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yep.
What's your name?
My name is Mira. And you?
Mira. I'm Randy.
Randy.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
you. How old are you, Mira?
Nice to meet you, Randy. Can you guess?
Maybe 16, 17? No?
No.
How old are you then?
I'm 23.
What?
Yeah. What's wrong?
20?
What's good? 23.
23?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You look so young.
What? Really?
Yeah,
Do I look like 17?
yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Damn.
So how old are
That's
you?
crazy. I'm 25.
Wow. I thought you were 18.
No. Wait, you from Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
You know what? I was learn some Indonesian song. Would you like to hear?
Oh, of course.
But I'm sorry if my pronunciation is not that perfect. Okay.
Okay. That's okay.
I hope you know this song.
I hope so. Just play it then. Let me know.
Sama-sama saja mantra cintaku tak bekerja. Hati ini juga ingin cinta yang bisa memuja diriku. Agungkan cintamu, rekatkan senyumku. Mana dia?
Wait a second. You sounds like a native here.
Really?
Yeah.
No, you're just being nice to me.
No. Seriously.
Really?
I'm kinda suspicious to you. So, are you Indonesian?
The thing is, I learn some song from any other country. You know, like Spanish, Russian, Korean.
Who's recommend you this song?
My friend from Indonesia.
Oh, let me. If I'm not mistaken, the singer is Rizky Febian, isn't it?
Yeah,
Rizky.
Rizky. Yeah, Rizky.
Yeah, Rizky Febian.
You know
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, kinda. I used to hear it on radio.
Okay. That's awesome.
That's why I kinda know the singer.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for letting me sing for you.
Yeah, it's such an
You're really
honor
nice.
to hear that.
You're a really nice person. I hope you have a beautiful night. Beautiful night. Hi.
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
You're from Turkey. Okay. What is your name?
Nisa.
Nisa. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you? Oh, guitar?
Yeah, guitar.
Oh,
Oh, you
my guitar.
you can play?
No.
Oh, you're still learning.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm learning just learning.
You can do that. You can do that. Keep going.
Yes. I think. And your name?
My name is
What's your
Randy.
name? Randy.
Yeah. And I'm
So
from
beautiful.
Indonesia.
Oh,
Yes.
my friend is from Indonesia.
Your friends? Who?
Yes.
Who is your friend? Girl?
No, boy.
Boy. Okay. How old are you, Nisa?
Okay. Just look how look.
14?
14.
13?
Oh, yeah.
How old?
No,
How?
I'm 17 years old.
17?
You're kidding me?
You look like 14. I'm sorry.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, Nisa, can I play a song for you?
Okay.
Okay. Seni olsam ömrüme ama şimdi saklanmalıyız. Haklısın, sevgi söz değil ama belki aklanmalıyız. Seviyorum ama buna boyun eğmem. Aşkımıza kınırım ama gitmem. Hayattan seni töreken aşkı kaçamam. Gözlerden uzak yaşayamam. Seviyorum ama buna boyun eğmem. Aşkımıza kınırım ama gitmem. Hayattan seni töreken aşkı kaçamam. Gözlerden uzak yaşayamam. Yeah.
So good.
Thanks.
But how do you know this song in Turkey? In
I
Turkish.
was searching on YouTube. Yeah. On
Oh my
YouTube.
god. So wonderful.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
A voice and guitar.
Thank you. Hi.
Привет.
Hello.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Fine. Thanks.
Where are you guys from? Oh,
Russia.
Russia. Ah, that's
Yes.
cool. That's cool.
Can you?
Play guitar.
Yes.
Alright. I used to do my one day. Ini kamu menyerah. Ana yarcheak. Esto switchat panacham. Si just hale. Mulai do my one day. Ikagdag the previous come ya. Я тебе не отдам, никому не дам. Новое утро, новый рассвет, новый день, теперь надо мне. Новые мысли, новый мотив. Писал тебе, вдыхал никотин, трудя позвали к себе отдыхать. Все равно где тебя терять. Ведь дом я не делал на папе риски мои мысли. На небе облака и яркая луна. На небе облака и яркая луна.
Супер. Это очень красиво.
Thanks guys.
Can you send your Instagram?
Okay.
Thank you. Сейчас,
You're
погоди,
welcome.
я подпишу. You know Russian?
No.
Wow. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's me.
Cool.
What's up?
Are you a singer as well?
Sing? I didn't
Yeah.
even sing, I say.
My thing.
Yeah, I do sing a little bit.
Yeah, that's what we asked you. And there's a guitar. Can you play some guitar?
Sure, but where are you guys from?
England
England. Alright.
and Russia.
No way.
Yeah.
Russian? Alright.
We're waiting.
That
Oh, you're so good.
Thank you.
I could listen to that all day.
Oh shit. Thank you so much. But you really Russian. The girl in the
Me?
yeah.
Yeah, I am. Why?
You speak Russian?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I sing one more song, just a little bit?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
But I don't know if you know it. Ты дико узнать, с тобой завтра, но и снова będzie chwilę raz, с тобой сурвався, но и знай тогда и кричи, и знай сейчас кричу, не успела сорваться тогда сказать тебе, я люблю тебя, с тобой катит истории, сейчас я потерял тебя, не знаю ли верну, я люблю тебя, с тобой катит истории, сейчас я потерял тебя, не знаю ли верну. Прикатил ко мне, дело было тебе не стоит тогда, как ты мне дорога, мороз, тай, сидя затеплю из тебя слова. Прикатил ко мне, дело было тебе не стоит тогда, как ты мне дорога, мороз, тай, сидя затеплю из тебя слова, baby.
Oh my god!
I got you.
Wait, how do you know it?
What?
How do you know it? How do you know this song?
I don't know. It's magic.
Oh my god, that's so good. But
Thank
you
you.
actually learned it.
Yeah.
That is so. Wait, text me your Snapchat or Instagram, something.
Okay. It was nice to meet you, Nancy.
Hey. Goodbye.
Have a good one.
Hi.
Where are you guys from?
We from Kazan, Russia.
Russia, okay.
Where
That's
are you
cool.
from?
Indonesia.
play.
Yeah, I play guitar.
Stop. You want like La Di Dai, Nesta. Oh, Tentacion, you know?
Tentacion.
Yes. The remedy for a broken heart.
I don't know. I just know
Play what you know.
okay. Возьми меня, люби меня, укрой.
Oh my god.
Твою пеленой, что мы с тобой создали вдвоем. Возьми меня, люби меня, укрой. Твою пеленой, что мы с тобой создали вдвоем. Я помню твой нос, эти крау твоего бабушки на рай. Здесь мы вдвоем спускаемся вдвоем. Под крышкой или буфли муара, тесная любви. С тобой он навсегда, прошу тебя, помни меня. Я провожал тебя домой по звуке птиц. Ты засыпала на моих коленях, а я стучался в бабушкину двери. Я провожу весь коридор, а ты все спишь. И с тобой молись, чем не говоришь.
It's very good.
Thank you.
Perfect. I
Thank
like
you so
it.
much. Thank you so much.
What is your name?
My name is Randy. Yeah, well, I do have Instagram.
No, please write it.
Alright,
I subscribe you.
I will subscribe you too.
Oh.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 잉잉잉 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 비동사 플러스 ing